So hello everybody, welcome back into another comparison video. And today we are comparing Monday.com versus Motion. I thought it was Notion, but first, but it's actually Motion, so it's pretty cool. So Monday.com and Motion, whether you're managing a team or planning content or just trying to stay on top of tasks, one of these platforms might be the perfect fit. So let's break it down. So Monday.com is a flexible operating system used for project management, CRM, and team collaboration. It's built around customizable boards and automation. Now, Motion, on the other hand, is an AI-powered productivity app that automatically schedules your tasks and meetings into your calendars, make it ideal for time blocking fans and solo workers. So, let's talk about the overview. So, Monday.com is like that, and Motion I just explained. So let's move on to user interface and my experience. So for me, Monday.com has a vibrant uh drag and drop interface with boards, timelines, and calendars and dashboard. You also have a CRM feature here, which is pretty cool. But I just have my table here. You have your main table, you have Gantt, you have chart, you have Kanban, and you have Kant. So Kanban's more like Trello, but yeah, it's pretty good. While Motion feels like a calendar experience at first, but it's pretty good. It integrates directly with Google and Outlook calendars, and its strength it is in its automation. It dynamically reshuffles your schedule based on deadlines and priorities, clean, minimal, and optimized for focus. Now, let's talk about highlights here. So Monday.com highlights it has custom workflows and templates, project timelines and Gantt views, team collaboration and updates, and also CRM and sales tracking, automation integration with Slack, Zoom, and etc. While Motion has AI task, scheduling into your calendar, auto scheduling if things run over, meeting booking pages, and built-in task manager, focus mode for distraction-free work. Now let's talk about pricing. So Monday.com starts at $9 per month per user with a free trial available. Pricing scales with features, and Pro Enterprise plans offer more automation integrations. So Motion starts at $19 a month for individuals and $12 per month for teams with a 7-day free trial. It's more expensive upfront, but the automation can be a huge time saver. So, who is this to both? Monday.com, if you work in a team, need visual project tracking, or want to build workflows that just schedule tasks. Or Motion, if you're an individual or small team, prefer calendar-based task management, and want AI to manage your time for you. Now, if none of this suits your fancy, let's go with ClickUp. So alternatives are ClickUp. So we have ClickUp here. So we have ClickUp, Asana, and also Notion. I thought that was at first. Like I thought Motion was Notion, but no, it's not. So we have Notion here. It's pretty great. Best for docs, tasks, and one space. So we have Sansama, another solid daily planner with time blocking. So it's pretty good. So both Monday.com and Motion are pretty powerful in their own ways. If you want team collaboration and custom workflows, go with Monday.com. But if you love automation and time management, Motion might just change your daily routine. So let me know in the comments which one fits your workflow better. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and hit that bell for your daily routine. And I'll do tutorial next time. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.